Okay, to log into your site, go to your site URL /wp-admin, enter. But once you do that, it comes to this page. Now from this page, enter your username and your password, then click login. Now this is the dashboard. On the dashboard we have different options. We have posts. This is to enable you to manage post articles, or maybe you want to publish news and all those things. This is media. It enables you to upload video of pictures or any other files to your site dashboard. This is pages. This enables you to manage all basic pages such as about us, contact us and all those things. Then comments enables you to moderate comments. Contacts, maybe you want to build a contact form for people to get in touch with you. Profile, this is where you manage your profile. That you want to change your username, you want to change your password, you want to change your display name and all those things. Then this is tools. You may not be using this and this. Then this one is to hide this board or expand it. So let's start with posts. When you click this, it shows you this sub menu, which are all posts, add new, categories, tags. Now each of them have their own functions. All posts shows you all posts that you've already published, and it also allows you to add new posts from the dashboard. Let's assume you want to publish a new article, or you want to release a newsletter, or there's something you want to tell your visitors about. So you make use of add new. So when you click add new, it takes you to the form where you enter the details of your content that you want to post. Now here, enter the title here. That means this is the title. Let's say your press release or something. Let's assume, okay, let's just say there's an announcement, invitation to sanitation or something. So this is the title of the post. This is the title of the post. Then this is where you start typing your content. Now this place works like your Microsoft Word functionality: bold, italicize, bullets, numbering, quote and the rest. You are already familiar with all this function. Now when you have different heading, let's assume this is heading 1, heading like maybe subheading, for instance, introduction. Now then we have full description of the introduction here, all the stories that you want to publish. So now this introduction is supposed to be like heading, like subheading. So you use this functionality to change it to heading. So it makes it bigger than the normal body, so in the normal paragraph body. Let's assume this dashboard also works like your Microsoft Word platform. Maybe you have something you've already typed in Microsoft Word and you want to copy and paste the content. Okay, you want to copy and paste the content. You can copy and paste something from Microsoft Word or any other source and come back here and paste it, and paste, Ctrl V. So like that. Let's assume you are done with this paragraph. You need to add another topic. Let's say another heading. So this another heading, I have its paragraph text. So you just select it and make it have the same functionality as the introduction. So that's how you continue. Now let's assume inside this post you want to add picture to the beginning of this post, or in the middle, or anywhere. Just go to wherever you want the picture to be. Like let's assume I want one picture to be here. Click this side, let the insertion points or the cursor blink wherever you want the image to be, then click add media. Now there are different options for you. You can upload a file, which is by default, that is to upload from your computer, or you can select from the ones that you've already uploaded in the past. So let's assume you want to upload a fresh file. So you click select file. It prompts you to go to your drive and select the location where the picture you need is. So you select the picture, then click open. It automatically uploads. Once it's finished uploading, you need to give it title, the title of the picture. Then you need to give it alt text, the title of the picture inside this part. Then click insert into post. So it automatically comes inside your post here. Now there are a lot of things you can do to format this picture. You can just simply reduce the size like this. You can reduce the size, then you can give it different location, different alignment. This is align left, this is align center, this is align right, and this is no alignment. It will not have any, but I'll be using align left so that the whole content will wrap around it. Now when you increase the size, see what happens. You see, so like that. Now you can bring this one down. So let's assume you are through with this. You want to add another picture somewhere else, you can just click add media and select from the already existing one, or you upload. So you click insert into post. It automatically comes inside and you can adjust and arrange the way you want. Apart from that, the media option also allows you to insert from a URL. Let's assume you want to embed a YouTube video. So instead of you to copy the video and upload it onto your server, you can simply copy the video URL from YouTube. Let's assume this is the video I want to embed into the post. You want people to see the post, or maybe your organization uploaded a video on YouTube and you want to show it on your site. What you simply do is just go to that post, to your YouTube channel, look for the link for that video, which is always there. Then you copy it. Once you copied it, you copy the link. Once you copy this, you go back to your post and paste it. So it will automatically search for the video from YouTube, and then you now click insert into post. So the video will be embedded into your post. You can also do alignment and adjustment. For you to do that, you click on this edit. Okay, sorry, that's for the video. You can do the settings from YouTube anyway. What you do is, instead of copying the URL directly from here, you can come here, you can click share. Once you click share, YouTube will give you different options. Now here you click embed. Then these are the embed rules. You can click show more. Now from this, a lot of these different settings, I don't want to put. Now these are different sizes, but by default, so let's leave that one for another time. So go back to the post. It has been automatically inserted. Now the next thing is to select category where your post falls in. Let's assume this one now is press release, so, or upcoming events. You just mark upcoming events, and then now here we have tags. Tags is used to present keywords, important keywords in your posts. Maybe there are some important keywords that you make use of. Let's assume these are my keywords. Now in this post I have ethical hacking, I have learning opportunities, I have African youth, I have different words. So let me just bring out the keywords now. The keyword here is SciSec Academy. You copy it or you type it or anything you want to do. So you come to this place, enter it, SciSec Academy, separate it with comma. The next one is what? Ethical hacking. So just put different keywords that are important in your text, then click add. So it will come here, you will see them as keywords. It's good for search engine optimization. Now after you are done, you now click publish. But I can't publish this because it doesn't have anything. So once you click the publish button, it automatically show on your page, and you can also preview it to see how it's going to look like before you make it public. When you publish, you make it public. But then if you make it public, you can still come back and remove it from being public, like unpublish it. So this is how the whole thing is going to look like. This is how the whole thing is going to look like on your site. So that is that for the post. Now let's assume I don't want to publish this. Let's assume you have already published it and you need to edit a post. So I'll be using one of the already existing posts, which is highlights. You need to change something from it. Maybe you spotted a typographical error, or there is something you need to change, update, or modify. Just click edit. Once you click edit, make the necessary adjustments, and then click update. So let's assume this is where we want to correct now. So you've corrected this, you've made the correction here, or you've added something, or you've done anything. You are done. You now click update. Once you click update, it automatically updates itself. Now we talk about the next thing you see here is add new, which is the same functionality as adding new stuff, new posts. Then categories is to give you different, is for you to edit, modify, or add the categories that we have around here. So I have timeline, articles, gallery, uncategorized, and the rest. So you can either edit them or delete, or do whatever you want to them. Maybe you want to add new, maybe you want to add press release or something. You can add it. You don't need to, you can also put it under certain stuff. For instance, okay, let's assume I have press release. Then you click add category. So it automatically comes here, press release. Now counts that you're seeing here is showing the number of posts that has been published under this category. So like under the articles now, we have 1. Under the gallery. So when you are publishing your posts, you should select a category in which that post falls in. So that is that about that. Then the media, you already know what it does. It enables you to manage, upload, or delete new pictures, new video, or music, or whatever. So you can simply click add new. This one will not assign it to any post. It will just upload it onto your server. So when you now need it inside a post or a page, you can now call it using the insert media that I explained earlier on. So this is the same format. Then pages. Now this is where you manage your basic pages. Let's go to the home page. These are what we call pages. Home, who we are, what we do, where we work, collaboration, funding, GFH, updates, blah blah blah. This is what we call pages. So each one of them are static or standalone pages that display information. Now let's assume you want to make correction to this page. What we do, all you have to do is go back to the dashboard. You will see, don't worry about this one, this is part of the customization for the front page. Now you just go to locate the one you want to edit, which is okay, go down, keep going. So you didn't see it here, so you click next here to go to the next page. Now here we are. You want to edit what we do now, click edit. And make whatever changes you want. Maybe there is a typographical error that you need to correct or something. So you just make the changes here. Now there is something that I want to explain regarding the functionalities that you are looking here. Now this is quotes. This is for you to quote. Maybe you are quoting a passage from a Bible verse, or somebody, you are quoting someone or something. This is the one you highlight that text. Once you highlight it, you click on that part that you are quoting, then it's automatically quoted. This is link. Let's assume you are talking about this hepatitis now. You want to link it to an article on Wikipedia that talks more on hepatitis, all you need to simply do is to get the story, is to hepatitis. Come on, okay. Okay, now the Wikipedia URL links, this is it, this is the link. You just copy it and come back to your post. You've already, this is what you want to link now. You just highlight and click insert link, then just paste the Wikipedia link and click this button. Now this icon, this gear, is to enable you to set it. It's preferable you enable to open the link in new tab, so that when the person clicks on it, it's not going to take them away from your own site. It just opens the link in another tab. You now click update. So when you click update, you can link any other thing to any other places that you want along the line. Now this one you are seeing, don't remove them. They are the one that they are short code used to format your site for different layouts. So you can just simply edit the major content inside, which is something of this nature. But all this one that you're seeing, don't edit them, don't tamper with them. If you tamper with them, it will affect the structure and layout of the site. So once you are done with linking, you click on update. Now you update it, you go to the page, you refresh. Before you see this is it. Now let's look at what happens after we refresh. It's highlight this one now as a link, which means it's clickable. Now anybody that wants to read more about hepatitis on Wikipedia can simply click on it and it will open them another page while still leaving your own page unclosed. So that is that about linking. If you want to remove the link, just highlight it back and click on remove link, which is the second option. Now there is something, so regarding the slide picture on the front page, you scroll down. This is the featured image, so you can remove it to replace it with another one. You can simply click on it to replace it with another one, or upload another one from. You don't even need to click remove, just click on it and upload another one to replace it. But I don't want to do that, so you do it yourself. Then comments enables you to manage comments. Somebody have already commented FK Baba kickballfrancis@gmail.com, so it gives you the information. This is the person, this is the comment, and this is the page in which they are responding to. The same thing here. So there are different options. This one has been approved already. Initially, if a comment comes in, it will be under pending, so you will now do either approve it or spam it or trash it. The choice is just depending on the content. If you go through the content and you see that it is something that is worthy of publishing, then you approve it. If it is not, you trash it. So contacts, the contact forms has been built for you already, so I don't know why you may want to go into that. But in case you want to manage the contact form has been done for you. The contact form is here. Contact us. This is the contact form, but maybe you want to build another form for something else, for some purpose. This one requires a little technical whatever. Okay, see the line of the short codes. I may have to do a separate tutorial on this later. So this is where you manage the contact form, but you don't even need to disturb yourself about this. Then profile. Let's assume you want to change your password. You want to you want to set your name and all those things. So this is where you do it, under profile. So you fill in your first name, your last name, your nickname. Now display name, how do you want it to display? When you publish an article, you say that it displays published by your username or your surname or your middle name or your full name. It depends on the one you want. So by default I like selecting this. Then other information, so you can fill that. You can change your own gravatar or something like that. So once you are done, this is where you change your password. You click generate password, then you update, click update profile, but I don't need to do that. Then tools, you don't need this, it's for, let's see what we can do. They said this is bookmark. I've not even been using it anyway, so let's just leave it. Short codes, you see the other time when I was showing you the page, you see some codes like that. These are the template code on which they are built on. You are not, I don't think you will need to use this. So that, I think that should be enough to put you through how to manage your blog or your website generally. So if you have any question, please feel free to send me a message on WhatsApp or call or do email or any way. Thank you.